everyone, how are you doing today? Today I would like to talk to you about clean house. How does your house look like? Is it tidy? Is it messy? Is it cluttered? See, I never been keen on tidying up my bedroom. Oops, I'm guilty of that. But since I have started to make sure that my bedroom is clean and tidy, I felt clean myself. See, there is a saying that if your bedroom is tidy, your mind is clear as well. So it depends on what are you storing in your house. Do you need to declutter your home? Do you have pictures everywhere around your house and you don't need them? Or you do not do dusting on them? Think about it. How much of pictures, frames, or stuff you have on a display? And look at them. How much dust is holding on? Do you clean it regularly? Or do you leave the dust on it for quite a long time? Think about the COVID-19. How much cleanness of your house is appropriate to clean the COVID-19? See, it just needs to be cleaned. But how do you feel about that to clean it yourself? Do you feel like, oh, I don't want to do it, I can't be bothered? But if you think about it, I am going to clean my mind. I need clarity. I need to think. Have you seen the God Almighty when they were mopping the floor and the mess actually cleared up? You know, whatever he did as a God. It's the same process. You think of your mind when you clean your house. And then, once you finish that, relax, meditate. Close your eyes, sit down on the chair, straight back, not rigid, and think about what you wanted to think. It works. But does it work for you? Let me know how you feel, what you did, and I see you again tomorrow. Let's see what comes up next. I am your friend for the rest of your life. Bye for now.